We are inside the arena where the gladiators used to fight. Getting ready to go into our Colosseum tour. So we book our ticket through Via Tour, and it's a complete Colosseum Roman Forum and Palatine Hill guided tour. And we paid $288.82 for two children and two adults. And it is a guided tour, and tour guide's name is Crown Tours. Booking your ticket through Via Tour, you get free cancellation and you get a full refund if you change your mind. The personal tour guide is in English. That is an up close look at the Colosseum. You need to allow at least an hour or so to pick up your ticket. For this one, we had to go to the Crown Tours office to pick up the tickets before starting the tour with them. They will show the collection point or where you can pick up the ticket on the app, and they will indicate the address and details of where the office or where to find the office. So we pretty much Ubered from our hotel going to the collection point or pickup location for the tickets. As you can see in the video, you did not see us getting in line because we purchased the ticket that is skip the line, which is a total added value because if you're not gonna do that, you will probably be waiting in line for at least 30 minutes. And it depends on the season. When it's when it's high peak, that's going to be longer wait time for you. So I totally recommend for you to purchase a skip a line ticket tour. And then when I went back to the museum, like 2 weeks later, they said you actually have an option to choose what language you prefer because they have French, German, English, and other languages that they could turn on for the earphones during the tour. And we were able to have an exclusive access to the Colosseum arena. We were able to walk along the Colosseum tiers and learn about the gladiators. We discovered the temples and monuments of the Roman Forum, and we also heard tales of ancient Rome and the Renaissance on Palatine Hill. Oh, this is history in that. Getting ready to go in the arena for where the gladiators fought.
Now it's so quiet, but imagine there were 70,000 spectators.
Ooh, wow.
All around.
This is
On 60 years
this is awesome, Inday. Hello. Free time to take pictures. Okay. At this point of the tour guide gave us about 10 minutes of free time to take pictures. So it was really nice because we didn't feel rushed because when you go over there, and as you can see in the video here, there were like a lot of tourists, and it was so hard to find a good spot to take very good pictures, but still we were able to manage, and we had enough time to do that.
Okay, ready? Turn. We are inside the arena where the gladiators used to fight.
Fight in there.
As you can see in the video, you can see the difference between my smile and my kids' boredom. So, to answer your question, if the Colosseum is worth it for everyone, I would say it is worth for me because I totally enjoy the tour. But for my kids, they were like bored to death. I mean, typically, the Colosseum is considered a worthwhile attraction for both children and young adults, but for me, I feel like if your young adults or children or your children is generally interested in history, architecture, or Roman culture, this may be something that they will enjoy. But if your kids or young adults, children don't really care for it, I don't think this is a worth it tour for them, because just like my kids, you can see that they're not enjoying this tour. And at one point in the tour, my son was trying to catch Pokemon and he was on his phone. So, anyway, I just want to lay it out there that this tour for me wasn't worth it for my kids, but it was really worth it for me. So the full tour covers the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and the Palatine Hill, for about like 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. It was a lot of walking inside the arena, and it was a hot day, but we pretty much enjoyed the whole time. With a guide, we headed into the Colosseum to walk in the footsteps of gladiators, emperors, and ple- ple- plebeians, as tales of the brutal games ring in your ears. Stroll amid the ruins of the Roman Forum, then we discovered the layers of the Roman history on Palatine Hill.
Here, a mass of 70,000
This is definitely expectation versus reality.
Yep.
The expectation that you're gonna be by yourself, but the reality is it's full of tourists. But I'm gonna go by.
At this point, we were able to see the Colosseum's underground chamber known as Hypogeum. It is a complex network of tunnels and chambers where gladiators, animals, and stage props were held and prepared for the arena. And at that time, it was already open for the to the public for tours. But this is an interconnected tunnels and chambers located beneath the Colosseum's arena floor. The purpose of it was to serve a backstage area for the gladiators games and other spectacles held back in the in the Roman times.
Mom, look, it's a cup water.
That is it for this first part of the video, guys. The second part of the video will be showing the Roman Forum and the Palatine Hill guided tour. I am going to show you a preview of how much walk that we're going to be doing on the way there. But anyway, hope you don't miss that second part of the video, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!